Last round. Let's go. I need to see some action. I need to see some action out of you one of these rounds, Jonathan. Get up. You just slipped. Quit putting your hand down too, Jamal. Whatever. Always keep your guard up. When you throw a punch, you keep your other guard up. There you go. Jonathan, quit putting your head down. Jab back. There you go. That jab out there, Jamal. There you go. There you go. That jab out there, Jamal. Yep. Still got a minute and a half, fellas. Let's go. It's just a long round. Pace yourself. Let's go. Throw that jab. Jab, Jonathan. I told you how to jab. Jab it. Quit barely throw that. Throw it out there like you mean it. Throw it with some power. Throw it with some power. There you go. Come on, y'all. 50 seconds. You're almost done. Last round. Make it count. Keep moving forward, Jamal. There you go. Next time you get in like that, you can throw uppercut. Jab, jab, uppercut. There you go. Throw them body shots there, Jonathan. However you got to get a shot in. Uppercut. Time. Good job, fellas. That's what I need.